And now for our next news special report.
And now we delve into a riveting chapter of courtroom drama where Alvin Bragg, fueled by a mission to indict former President Trump, found himself blindsided. It appeared that Bragg had meticulously drawn a map to lead a legal crusade against Trump, aiming for a courtroom showdown on March 25th of 2024. But as fate would have it, a swift judicial curveball thrown by Judge Joe Meacham shattered those plans into disarray. Suddenly, Bragg's smooth sail hit turbulent waters, and what looked like a well-laid plan has spiraled into a quagmire of uncertainties. How did a single judge's ruling send shockwaves through Bragg's ambitious venture? What ripple effects will this have on the broader political landscape as the Super Tuesday primaries loom large? As we dig deeper into this unfolding narrative, you don't want to miss our final thought on why this matters to every citizen in our republic. When Alvin Bragg took charge, many were of the notion that he had an ace up his sleeve to bring down former President Donald Trump. The crux of the case against Trump was based on 34 counts of falsifying business records aimed to be presented in court on March 25th, 2024. But here's where the water gets murky. Even liberal legal analysts couldn't help but chuckle at Bragg's novel legal theory. The claim was that Trump concealed the repayment to Michael Cohen, who had paid Stormy Daniels a hefty $130,000 non-disclosure agreement settlement, suggesting it was a federal campaign finance law violation. Interestingly enough, even Joe Biden's Justice Department didn't find grounds to charge Trump with that particular offense. It seemed that even the Democrat prosecutors in Washington, D.C., who seemed to have a keen interest in finding every possible legal way to bring Trump down, acknowledged that there was no breach of law regarding campaign contribution limits or how the expenses were reported. Now, fast forward to the present moment. There's a significant pivot in Bragg's roadmap against Trump. The instigator, Judge Joe Meacham, a known Biden supporter, has thrown a proverbial wrench into the works. He canceled a pivotal pretrial hearing. The rationale? Well, another trial overseen by Obama donor Judge Tanya Chutkan, contesting the 2020 election results, is already slated for March 4th of 2024. Judge Meacham put it this way, quote, "In light of the many recent developments involving Mr. Trump and his rapidly evolving trial schedule, I do not believe it would be fruitful for us to confer this case on September 15th to discuss scheduling." Now, the date, March 4th, isn't picked out of thin air. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has also marked this date for a politically charged RICO case. It's a day before the crucial Super Tuesday primaries. The Democrats are apparently hoping to make Trump's trial the conversation starter, a way to mold the electoral narrative, turning the focus on Trump rather than Biden. The New York case, perceived as weak and prone to dismissal, isn't what the left wants to headline. They're looking at the D.C. court, expecting a judgment against Trump that would set the tone that they desire. And speaking of unexpected twists, let's take a moment to discuss a curve that many of us face but do have control over: the health downturn as we age. As the years go by, our muscles start to lose their vigor, a situation that kicks in post-30, leading to weight gain and increased risk of falls. This deterioration is something that Bragg might feel metaphorically with his case against Trump, unexpected setbacks. The good news is there is a remedy, a remarkable product that comes back with potent ingredients like MyHMB, creatine, betaine, and vitamin D3. This isn't your run-of-the-mill supplement. It battles muscle loss while enhancing your endurance and performance. And for our esteemed viewers, a golden opportunity awaits at gainwithgary.com with a hefty 41% discount and some additional gifts. Don't let this chance slip away. Rejuvenate your strength and brace yourself for life's curveballs. Or simply tap more below this video to claim your offer. Now, returning to the courtroom drama, the maneuver by Judge Meacham reveals a portion of the political chess game being played out. It's clear the Democrats were angling for a high-profile trial right before the Super Tuesday primaries to cast a long shadow on Trump's image. But with this recent judicial twist, that plan appears to be on shaky ground. The intention to align the trial dates is blatant. The Democrats seem to want to use Trump's trial as a tool to sway voters, to divert the spotlight from Biden's track record to place it firmly on Trump's legal issues. And the preference for the D.C. trial over the New York one isn't arbitrary. The New York case, largely viewed as frail, stands a higher chance of getting the gavel of dismissal. So the strategy seems to be let the trial in D.C. with purportedly anti-Trump judge and a Democrat-leaning jury take the center stage and cast the first judgment on Trump. This unfolding scenario is beyond just a courtroom skirmish between Trump and Bragg. It unveils a snippet of the larger tug-of-war that continues to shape the political narrative within our republic. It demonstrates how legal battles are being entwined with political maneuvers to mold public perception. The unfolding courtroom drama between Alvin Bragg and former President Trump takes us beyond a mere legal skirmish, revealing a political chessboard where every move counts. The unexpected judicial twist, courtesy of Judge Meechan, has not only thwarted Bragg's meticulous plans, but also, perhaps inadvertently, cast a spotlight on the orchestrated political narrative that aimed to use the courtroom as a stage right before the pivotal Super Tuesday primaries. For Donald Trump, this judicial curveball might well be a serendipitous shield against a narrative crafted to overshadow his political stature. It allows a breather, a moment of respite from the relentless legal barrage meticulously timed to clash with crucial electoral timelines. This scenario underlines a crucial reminder to the American populace about the fine line between law and political maneuvering, urging a vigilant scrutiny of unfolding legal dramas. Today's narrative reaffirms that the justice system, guided by impartiality, has the potential to upset calculated political narratives, a fact that underscores the enduring strength and integrity of our republic's judicial frameworks. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Now keep up your quest for truth with this next news report. And if you found our channel enlightening, join the millions who agree with you. Tap subscribe. Thank you for watching the Next News Network.